used her fork to lift each crate of apples onto Tippy. Tippy grinned and shook it happily, causing a few apples to fall. The apples flew everywhere like fruit fireworks. Rollo slid on the apple juice, spinning around like a flying saucer. Tippy didn't know what was happening, so he just kept rolling, leaving a trail of crushed apples behind. Orango saw it and thought Tippy was selling mobile juice. Orango used a ladle to taste the apple juice, looking satisfied like a professional chef. Finally, you collect all the remaining apples and together open a super delicious construction site juice bar. Everyone laughed and gathered around the apple juice table. Liddy held the straw, Tippy served everyone, and Rollo wore an apple hat. Wow, what a beautiful morning on the country road. What's going on? The sky is turning dark with dark clouds and thunder. Oh no, rocks are falling! The road is blocked by rocks and trees. We need help. The rescue vehicles are taking a break. The alarm is ringing. Ring, ring, ring. Lucy woke up in a panic and called everyone to wake up. It was raining heavily. They reached the blocked road and got to work. Lucy is trying to lift the fallen trees into Ben's bucket. Ben fell asleep again while Lucy was working. Wake up, Ben. John has come. He will clear the big rocks. He is very strong. The rocks were cleared very quickly. Gibson will clean up the remaining mud. Wow! It's great the road is back to normal. Yeah! Working together makes things easier. A quiet morning at a small construction site in the countryside. Katie is preparing to shovel. Corey was leisurely transporting materials to the construction site. Gibson seriously checks the ground. Jay is coming, with the ball spinning. Rin, rin! Jay was jumping. Oh no! Suddenly the ball's lid was opened. Cement shot all over Gibson. Ka-ka-ka! Katie laughed out loud. Forgot she was scooping dirt. Accidentally dumped a bunch of dirt on Corey's head as she walked by. Katie scratched her head shyly and smiled shyly. So a normal workday turned into a day of joyful chaos at the construction site. What a perfect day! And what a perfect little date for these two vehicles! Green grass, golden sunlight, tasty snacks, and hearts beating with joy. is needed. Just one look says it all. Love may be warm, but this storm is freezing. In the cold rain, one small act can warm a heart more than the sun. There is no rainbow without rain, just like there is no love without a little challenge.
Wow!
And so, beneath a glowing rainbow, love quietly blossoms. A great day begins at a massive construction site. Wow, what is Corey doing? Oh, she is moving the barrier to the designated place. Ben was excited to carry sand. Uncle Jay is coming to mix the sand. Katie is coming to help Uncle Jay pour sand into the mixing ball. Wow, the ball started spinning steadily. Run, run! What is this? The wind is so strong that it might fall. Oh no! Uncle Jay, be careful. The steel bar is falling. Run fast, Uncle Jay. Oh no, it's too late. Lucy is resting. Bum, what's going on? Katie ran to Lucy for help. Oh no, Uncle Jay is being crushed by steel bars. Let's help Uncle Jay. Yeah, together we can do anything. Night fell in the garage. All the cars were asleep. Craney lay beside the toolbox, her pretty bow glistening in the moonlight. Everything was peaceful until a dark shadow silently passed by. In a split second, the bow was gone. The next morning, panic spread throughout the garage. The most precious thing had been stolen. Tippy hurriedly ran around looking for... Reddy pretended to look around. Rollo examined the scene carefully. Oh! Rollo found something. Red tire tracks. Wait! These red tire tracks lead to a construction site. Rollo and Crazy follow the red tire tracks to a pile of sand. The trail disappears here. Prairie's bow tie is probably around here. Yeah, the bow tie is here. So who stole Prairie's bow tie? One sunny morning, Rollo happily walked to the construction site. What's up? Oh no, Rollo has fallen into the mud. Rollo tried to escape from the mud but failed. Rollo helplessly called for help. The rescue team set out. The first to appear was Dozzy. Dozzy came and saw Rollo stuck in the mud. He decided to push Rollo up. Dozzy tried to push Rollo away, but he was too heavy. Then Reddy came to help. came and pulled Rollo up by the hand. Tried so hard but still failed. Craney was the last to arrive. Craney dropped his hook and tried to pull Rollo up. Come on, Craney, you can do it. Come on, Craney. Wow, it's great that we successfully rescued Rollo from the mud. Believe in yourself and you can do anything.